In stage 35 we're going to be attaching the Y-axis motor to the right of the printer housing, so make sure that you've identified the right of the printer housing, and this is the side to the fan. Okay, take the 3 brackets and you'll notice that one is 4mm and the other is 2mm. Remove the film and from both sides and then sandwich the 4mm in between the two, making sure that when we put them on, they're going to be in this position facing upwards. And in the meantime, take the 4 truss head screws, which are 24mm by 4, and sandwich the spring washer in between the flat washer as shown in your instructions. Once you've done that, take the 3 spaces from the inside and then place 2 of the screws through the holes like so, and then taking your motor, making sure that the connector is facing down, carefully place that over the belt and then gently through the hole like so, and then carefully screw these truss head screws into the motor. Once again, then taking the other 2, placing them in the same position, and then taking a screwdriver, just carefully do those up, but don't tighten them right up. Okay, you can see that. Okay, now you can test that by moving the shaft backwards and forwards so that you're turning the motor. Okay.